So let us do a complete overview of hematology. So for what we discussed in Unit 1, what are the major topics? Applications, then properties of blood, then branches of hematology, then erythropoiesis. Then
sickle cell anemia.
Okay, the anemias are in different unit. Then Unit 2, anemias.
Anticoagulants की रहेगी.
Okay, anticoagulants.
और दो तीन disease भी हैं.
Then
disease thalassemia और sickle.
Okay, anemia diseases. What are the anemic diseases we discussed in Unit 2? Sickle cell, thalassemia, G6PD, very good. Then spherocytosis, very good. Spherocytosis we discussed. Then what else we discussed in Unit 2?
RBC abnormalities.
Very good. In Unit 2 we discussed RBC abnormalities, right? That means shape abnormalities we discussed. Then very good. Hemostasis, we discussed about hemostasis. Then okay, coagulation mechanism we discussed. Then we discussed about various stains. What are the stains? Okay, Bright's stain, Giemsa stain, Leishman stain, okay, Fields stain, and JSB stain. Together, all these stains together called as Romanowski stains. What is the significance of Romanowski stains? What is they are alcohol-based stains. Then what else we discussed? In Unit 3, we discussed about quality control. Okay, we know. Quality assurance, quality control we discussed. Then what else we discussed? Okay, we discussed about ESR, then we discussed about PCV, then we discussed about indices, and we also discussed about hematocrit. Hematocrit is this one only. Hematocrit or PCV is same. And also we discussed some basic counting, cell countings, okay, which we already covered in the lab session actually. Okay, so the counts of TRBC, TWBC, then platelet count, and also we discussed about DLC, right? Morphology of all cells. So these are the things that we discussed so far in our hematology. Then coming back to the branches of hematology. Branches of hematology. Listen students, no matter whatever how much higher studies you are going, this is all about hematology actually. These are the only topics in hematology. Even if you go for masters, even if you go for MD, you will go to specializations in these fields. That's it. No more than these fields, okay? So to understand the broad spectrum of hematology, let us see the branches of hematology and let us focus on their applications. So what are the broad branches of hematology? What are those? Okay, basic hematology is also called as very good, clinical hematology. Who said clinical now? Very good Christina, well done. Clinical hematology, then blood banking, very good, blood banking. Then neonatal hematology, very good. Neonatal different hematological parameters. Then bleeding disorders. Okay. Blood banking is also called as, there are two other names. Very good. Immunohematology, or it is also called as transfusion medicine. Very good. There might be few dissimilarities, but they are all together same. Okay. Yes, there are bleeding disorders. What are the various bleeding disorders you will check? Tell me about bleeding profile. What test you will perform in bleeding profile?
Okay.
You will start with bleeding time, clotting time, prothrombin time, activated partial thromboplastin time, APTTK, K stands for Kyolin. Then TGT, TT, and also there is one more test. Very good. Platelet function test. I know that I haven't touched in detail about platelet function test. There are almost 10 types of platelet function tests. Platelet segregation status, accretion status, segregation status. That we'll see in the next episode. Where is your uniform again? Today is Wednesday. Today is uniform day. If you want attendance, then you can go outside. If you don't want attendance, then you can sit inside. You want attendance, then you can go and dance, do whatever you want. Okay. Enjoy weekend outside. Okay. Yes. Back to our issues. Fine. What is the significance of bleeding time? Significance of bleeding time. Why we are performing bleeding time? We already studied everything. Yes. Yes, before surgeries, we must do bleeding time to check the functional status of what? Bleeding. Why we are performing bleeding time? I understood that this is a mandatory test before surgery. It is targeting what? Bleeding time is check the efficiency of platelets. Very good. Very good. What is normal platelet count? 1.5 to 4 lakhs per cubic millimeter of blood. Very good. Methods of bleeding time. The methods. Tell me the methods. Fingerprint method. Earlobe method is called as Duke's method, and also what is the other method?
Fingerprint method.
Fingerprint, Duke's and IVY method. What is IVY method? Under blood pressure we will perform bleeding time. So that is IVY method. Very good. Then what is the significance of clotting time? Significance. To know the status of clotting factors. How many clotting factors we have? 13 clotting factors. What is clotting factor 10? Stewart-Crawford factor. Very good. Clotting factor 6.
Unknown factor.
Very good. There is no factor. Clotting factor 5. Levite factor. Very good. Clotting factor 3. Tissue thromboplastin. Very good. Clotting factor 8. Anti-hemophilic factor. Are you sure? Clotting factor 7. Stable factor. Clotting factor 9.
Christmas factor.
13 more. 5 stabilizing factor. 11. Thromboplastin antecedent. Very good. What clotting factor is dependent on what Milligram factor? Clotting factor 8. Very good, Lakshya. He said first. Very good. Then what clotting factor absence leads to hemophilia? What clotting factor absence leads to hemophilia?
Anti-hemophilia.
Yes, clotting factor 8 and clotting factor 9. Okay, 8 is anti-hemophilic factor, and what is clotting factor 9? Christmas factor. Very good. What is the significance of PT? Prothrombin time. Significance of prothrombin time.
Extrinsic pathway.
It will check the extrinsic pathway or intrinsic pathway. Extrinsic and common pathway. Very good. Significance of APTT. Intrinsic and common pathway. Significance of TGT. Okay, all. Significance of TT.
ये कॉमन के और
To check the conversion of fibrinogen to fibrate will be determined by thrombin time. Keep in mind. Okay. And what is this INR? Do we study about the INR?
Yes, sir.
What is INR? International normalized ratio. What is the significance of INR? To standardize the patient-specific values. To standardize patient-specific values, we are going with INR, right? And what are the properties of platelets? Properties of platelets: adhesion, aggregation, and activation. Very good. Adhesion is mediated by what? Adhesion of platelets is mediated by what? Yeah. Okay. GP1B receptor. Okay. And 2 aggregation is mediated by GP2B, 2B3A. Absence of 1B is called as absence of 1B leads to an inherited disorder called as what is it? Gallman's thrombocythemia. Gallman's thrombocythemia. Everyone appreciate this Simranji. She is up to date with iron. Very good. What is 2B3A deficiency is called as?
Yes, sir.
Bernard-Soulier syndrome. Bernard-Soulier syndrome. Okay. Decreased platelet count is called as thrombocytopenia. Very good. Increased red blood cell count is called as erythrocytosis. Blunder mistake, Miss Geeta. Yeah. Polycythemia. Everyone clap for Mukhtar. Very good, Mukhtar. Polycythemia. Very good. Can you tell an anemia if there is less hemoglobin? Less hemoglobin leads to anemia or not? RBC count is normal, but hemoglobin is less. What type of anemia is it? Normal RBC but less hemoglobin. What anemia is it? Yes, less hemoglobin but normal RBC count. What yes, hypochromic anemia. Hypochromic normocytic anemia. Hypochromic normocytic anemia. Okay. Yes, even in thalassemia, but we need to correlate with other PBS, peripheral blood smear. Okay, there will be targets as there will be other cells, can be seen there. Spherocytosis. Okay, very good. Then tell me the normal value of bleeding time. Normal bleeding time. 1 to 3 minutes. Very good. Normal value of clotting time. 3 to 5 minutes. Very good. Normal value of PT, ability, PGT. I didn't say the normal values, right? That we'll see in the next semester. Okay. You just remember this. All normal values will be less than 1 second actually. PT, ability will be less than 1 second. See, they are very rapid. Okay. Very good. Then coming to the basic hematology. What lab test you will perform in basic hematology? Yes, tell me. TRBC, EWBC, DNC, HB, ESR, PCV, indices, platelet count, absolute eosinophil count. Our Keshav saying ABO blood grouping. Where do ABO blood grouping will be performed? In the blood bank. ABO grouping will be done in blood bank. Is there any other test in blood bank apart from ABO grouping? Cross matching, very good. Then donor screening. Yes, in donor screening should be. What test we will perform in donor screening? HIV test, very good. HIV screening. HIV, HCV, HPV, and malaria and syphilis. That means syphilis. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Yes. Usually we won't find diabetes, but we can perform diabetes. A diabetic patient still can able to donate the blood, no issues. They can donate blood until the recipient is not diabetic. That's why I'm saying donor is not recipient.
उसके ऊपर नहीं है ना कोई ड्रग्स वगैरह ऐड नहीं है
That depends. Diabetic case is different. We'll see how. That is not mandatory. Okay. Even when the patient has diabetes, we can consider. I mean, the donor has diabetes. That is a different case. That we'll see later. That's it. These are the broad branches of hematology. Neonatal. What we will do in neonatal hematology? Very good. Everyone clap for Mr. HDL. What is the full form of HDL? Hemolytic disease of newborn. In what condition we will perform HDL test? Yes, very good. Everyone clap for Miss Tanisha. Yes, what is that? Erythroblastosis, fetosis. Jaundice to the newborn baby is called HDL or erythroblastosis fetosis. Very good. Now tell me a few things. In what disease there will be an enzyme deficiency? What anemia leads to enzyme deficiency? G6PD. The enzyme is glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. That is the enzyme and that is the deficiency. Very good. What you will observe in PBS? PBS in case of G6PD. White cells will be observed. Very good. White cells will be seen in G6PD deficiency. Excellent. In what anemia the RBC looks like a crescent moon? Crescent moon. What is the meaning of crescent moon? This is crescent moon. Sickle cell anemia. Very good. Sickle cell anemia. What is the lab test to confirm sickle cell anemia?
सिकल सेल
Lab test.
solubility test solubility test
Solubility test. Very good.
sickling test
Sickling test. Very good.
PCR
PCR. Okay. Molecular test.
electrophoresis
Electrophoresis. Very good.
तो blood smear
Very good. Blood smear. Peripheral blood smear which should be done for identifying sickle cell anemia. Very good. Then what test you will perform for thalassemia?
और Nestrov test
Nestrov test. Yes. Tell me the full form of Nestrov test. Naked eye single tube red cell osmotic fragility test. Very good. Excellent. Rather than the mnemonic, telling the full form is easy. Naked eye single tube red cell osmotic fragility test. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Then in what anemia the cells will be like a footballs? Spherocytosis. What happens in spherocytosis? The cytoskeleton of the red blood cell will be deformed. What is the name of the cytoskeleton? The proteins. Very good. Alpha and beta spectrin. Okay, spectrins will be deformed. Kushi, stay focused. Then Harjit, stay focused. Raj, don't disturb them. Anshika, stay here, stay focused. And Navjot, be attentive. She is sleeping or she is not here. Okay. In the green color vial, what anticoagulant is present? Heparin. Very good. In a purple vial, EDTA. Very good. In grey, fluorides. Fluorides in grey. Okay. Then black oxalates. Black oxalates. Then sky blue. Citrates. Very good. Then red. Plain blue. Nothing in red. Then yellow. Clot activator. Yellow tube is also called as gel tube. Okay, gel will be there. Clot activator. Then green tube. Heparin. Very good. If you want to perform glucose test, what is the ideal anticoagulant? Fluorides. Very good. What is the mode of action of fluoride? I haven't said this one, right? fluoride will inhibit the enolase enzyme in glycolytic pathway. Do you remember enolase? Enolase will give some water to the glucose molecules, if you remember. Yes, okay, so enolase will inhibited by fluorides. Okay, please keep in mind. Then, what is the mode of action of Mr. Navjot? Vanshita. Yeah, mode of action of EDTA.
Remove calcium.
Removal of calcium. This phenomenon is called as chelation. Very good. Chelation means removal of calcium from the blood. So, the clotting factor number of calcium? 4. Oh, excellent. Very good. Excellent. So far. Array, you become masters there. You know, here you will shout like you know everything, but your faces will be pure white on campus, you know, during exams. Okay, let us see more things. Control of internal body environment is called as maintaining the internal equilibrium of the body is called as what? Homeostasis. Homeostasis is controlling internal vital activities is called as homeostasis. And what is chemostasis? Mechanism of arresting of bleeding is called as chemostasis. Right? What are the phases of chemostasis? Phases of chemostasis. Yes, blood vessel damage, then vasoconstriction, then platelet activation, primary platelet plug formation, then clotting, conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin, then clotting. Is it so? Only this is, or is there any other step of chemostasis? There is one final step in chemostasis. Fibrinolytic mechanism. Only Mr. Lakshya said the answer. Fibrinolytic mechanism. Why fibrinolytic mechanism is important? To remove the clots from the body. What if fibrinolytic mechanism not working in the body? What happens?
Disease conditions.
What problems you might encounter if there is no proper fibrinolytic mechanism? DIC formation. Yes, ischemic heart attacks and DIC can happen. What is the full form of DIC? Disseminated intravascular coagulation. What is this phenomenon? Multiple clots in the blood vessels is called as DIC. Very good. If a patient has a tuberculosis, I ask you, what blood test you will perform? ESR. See, already Miss Bhavana is on another dimension. Not feeling well. Alright? Nice excuse. So I can't even scold her. Very nice. Okay. What is the significance of ESR? Yes. To detect inflammation in the body. Is ESR a specific test or non-specific test? It's a non-specific test. If it is a non-specific test, is it important to perform ESR in the first place? No, right? But why we are performing ESR? Why we are not throwing it into the dustbin? Yeah. Yes, Keshav. Okay. It's a non-specific test, but still it will give an insights into some ongoing blood-related information. Okay. Okay, very good. Then, what is the methods of performing ESR?
2 methods.
What are those? Winthrop's method and Westergren's. Which tube has 2 openings on both sides? Westergren's has 2 openings on both sides. And, okay, Western 2 openings, then Winthrop's is 1 opening. Okay, very good. Then, what is the other name of hematocrit? PCV. What is the full form of PCV? Packed cell volume. What is the significance of PCV? Significance of PCV. Yes, Mukta. Percentage of cells versus plasma. As Lakshya and Mukta said, that is correct. It will give the ratio between plasma and RBC. That is called as PCV. Very good, Mr. Mukta and Lakshya. Then, what is indices means? What is indices?
कुछ टेस्ट आते हैं
कुछ टेस्ट कौन सा टेस्ट वो? Yeah. Indices test I will write here. अरे यार बोर्ड is full. MCV. What is the full form of MCV? Mean corpuscular volume. What is the normal MCV value? 88 to 92 femtoliters. What is the formula of MCV? Yes. PCV, are you sure? PCV by RBC curve into 10. That is MCV. Then what is MCH? Mean corpuscular hemoglobin. Normal value of MCH? 28 to 32 picograms. Formula HB by RBC into 10. Then MCHC. Yes, okay, 30 to 33%. No, formula HB by PCV into 100. Very good. Then CI, carbon index, HB percentage by RBC percentage. Normal value 0.8 to 1.4%. Abnormalities in the size of the red blood cells is called as what? Size issues of RBC is called as phagocytosis. Size issues are phagocytosis. Everyone clap for this Anshika. Size will be ellipsocytosis. Shape will be phagocytosis. Okay. Increased MCV leads to what anemia? Increased MCV value, what anemia? Macrocytic anemia. Decreased MCV, microcytic anemia. Very good. Then increased MCH. Increased MCH, what anemia? Increased MCH, what anemia? Hyperchromic anemia. Decreased MCH, hypochromic anemia. Then what cells are antiparasitic cells? Eosinophils are antiparasitic cells. Anti-cancer cells. Basophils. Very good. What cells will produce antibodies? Lymphocytes. Very good. Primary defense cells. Neutrophils. Excellent. Allergic cells. Eosinophils. Okay. What cells will secrete heparin? Very good. Then what cells will mediate in phagocytic mechanism? What is phagocytosis means? It is the mechanism of engulfing of pathogens is called as phagocytosis. In what stage the nucleus will disappear? Intermediate normoblast. What are the stages of erythropoiesis? Yeah. Okay. Colony forming unit erythrocyte. Pluripotent erythrocytic blast cell. Then pro-erythrocyte. Pro-erythroblast. Then early normoblast. Late normoblast. Intermediate normoblast. Late normoblast. Reticulocyte and matured RBC. In what stage the hemoglobin will start appearing to the intermediate or late? Intermediate. No, intermediate will be nucleus will disappear. In late normoblast you will see HB actually in late normoblast. Okay. In what stage double nucleoli will present in the RBC? Proerythroblast, double nucleoli. And nucleoli, yes.
Intermediate and HB start appearing.
Okay, intermediate HB start appearing, and in late
Late tender, disappear the nucleus.
nucleus disappearing late normoblast.
Yes, sir.
The process of disappearance of nucleus in RBC is called as pycinosis. Okay, pycinosis. Very good. Then immature RBC is called as reticulocytes. Very good. What are the sites of production of RBC? Yeah. In the first trimester, first 3 months, 6 months, and 5 months. First 3 months, where does the RBC produce? Yolk sac. Very good. Hence, which stage is called as mesoblastic stage. Mesoblastic stage. And second stage of pregnancy, liver. Hence, this is called as hepatic stage. And in the late stage, bone marrow. This stage is called as myeloid stage. Why it is called as myeloid stage? Yeah. Tell me the process of hemopoiesis. Yeah. Hemopoiesis flow chart.
Hemopoiesis के अंदर सेल्स से पहले uncommitted stem cells.
Uncommitted pluripotent stem cells, committed pluripotent stem cells, colony forming unit. Yeah, there are three divisions. Colony forming unit, erythrocyte, colony forming unit, yes, colony forming unit, lymphocytes, lymphoid, colony forming unit have. What are those?
Erythrocyte, lymphocyte, and monocytes.
Colony forming unit monocyte
और megakaryocytes.
and colony forming unit megakaryocyte. This is one. Okay. Colony forming unit monocyte will give rise to.
Monocytes.
No, you are making monocytes. Colony forming unit monocyte. You are trying to say no. Colony forming unit is you write here. Come here. I was confused. Yes. Show me hemopoiesis flow chart. Yes, Mr. Shukbe. Colony forming unit. Lymphoid. Okay.
Produce lymphocytes.
Colony forming unit lymphocytes and
Lymphocytes का production neutrophil या colony forming unit. ये आगे के इनके divide होते हैं.
Colony forming unit granules.
Erythrocytes.
Very good.
और colony forming unit granulocytes and monocytes.
Granulocytes.
और colony forming unit megakaryocytes.
Very good.
ये further produce monocytes. और नहीं ये
platelets.
ये आगे दो के अंदर डिवाइड हो गई. Granulocyte and monocytes. Granulocyte 3 और ये monocytes का प्रोडक्शन करेगा. और ये करेगी न्यूट्रोफिल, बेसोफिल, और ये आरबीसी.
And lymphocyte will be lymphocyte.
Yeah,
Everyone clap for Shukbe. Excellent, Shukbe. Excellent. This is what I need from you. Excellent, Shukbe. Very good. Yeah. So platelets are derived from megakaryocytes. Okay. What are the largest white blood cells?
monocytes.
Smallest cells, blood cells. Smallest blood cells. Platelets. Volume of blood.
Volume 5 to 7.
5 to 6 to 7. Okay, 6.5 liters in an adult. And what are the least populated white blood cells? Basophils. Very good. What cells will have in what white blood cells? The lobes of the nucleus will increase depending on the age. Neutrophils. What is the other name of neutrophils? What cells will mediate in killing parasites?
eosinophils.
Eosinophils. Can you give any one parasite, blood parasite infection name? Malaria. Very good. Then what are the what I can ask? Almost done everything. What are the how many groups we have? How many blood groups we have in humans? 8 classical groups. What are those? A, B, AB and O. Positive and negative groups. In what blood group there will be a missing of antigen H? Bombay blood group. Okay, Bombay blood group. Okay, classically it looks like O group, but it is a Bombay blood group. Okay, what antibodies are present in O group? What antibodies present in O blood group? No antigens. I said antibodies. What antibodies present in O blood group? Both A and B antibodies are present in O group. Yes. What antibodies present in AB group?
No antibody.
No antibody. What antigens present in B group?
Antigen.
I said what antigens present in B group? B antigen. In A group? AB group?
No antigen.
Are they? Antigens in AB group? A and B. Antigens in O group? No antigens. Is it clear? Okay, good. Who is universal donor? O negative or positive? O negative. Universal recipient? AB positive. Very good. Who discovered blood groups? Carl Einstein. Who discovered RH groups? Yes. Samuel Weizmann. Okay. Samuel Weizmann. Okay. Samuel Weizmann or S. Weizmann. Okay. Very good book there. Where they discovered RH antibodies. In what species they discovered RH antibodies? Rhesus monkey. Okay. Macaque. Rhesus species of macaque monkeys. Very good. Then what is the color of anti-sera A? Are you sure? Are you sure? You are confused. Anti-sera A color? Blue. Anti-sera blue? Anti-sera B? Yellow. Anti-sera D? Methods of RBC grouping. What are those? Forward grouping and reverse grouping. In reverse grouping, what you will identify in the patient cells? We will identify patient antibodies rather than cells. Okay, antibodies in the same of the patient. We will take known cells and we will try to detect unknown antibodies in the patient. Reverse. Okay. Okay. Good. In what blood group? Okay, that's it. Okay, well done, students. You all are experts in hematology. Well done. Yeah, this is all about hematology. Good. Yeah. Yes, Keshav. Yes. Let us see one interesting thing. Any one of you can ask any question to any one of you. You can challenge yourself. Can you? Can you ask any question to Arun? Or can you ask any question to anyone? Yes, target your enemies then. Let us see. Yes. Yes, should be. You can ask any question. Please stand up, should be. Yes. You want to ask question, Miss Sanchika? Yes. Yes, should be. Please stand up. Yes, please stand up, Shukbir. Meanwhile, anyone? Is anyone interested to ask question to any one of them? Yes, Imran. Yes, Lakshya. You want to ask question? They are playing safe game. Yes, Miss Sanchika. She is hiding now. Yes, Shukbir. Please stand up. Please stand up and ask question. Yes, Shukbir.
Most abundant protein in plasma.
Most abundant protein in plasma is the question. Who will answer? Most abundant protein in plasma. Yeah, who will answer this question? Albumin. Very good, Mokta. Excellent. Any more questions? Yes. Yes, quick.
Mode of action of warfarin.
Very good. What is the mode of action of warfarin? Mode of action of warfarin. Who will answer? Mode of action of warfarin. Yes. Yes. Anticoagulant. Anticoagulant. Warfarin is anticoagulant. Everyone knows. What is the mode of action of warfarin? Yes. Anyone? Any smart person? Keshav. Yes, Keshav. Very good. Yes, Keshav. Mode of. It will remove vitamin K. Excellent. Everyone clap for Mr. Keshav. Very good. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Sukhbir and Keshav. Very good. Thank you very much. Everyone clap for yourself. You all did well. Okay. Good.